Good morning, Wood Creek. Welcome back to DRA Academy. Another day, another new knowledge. So, today we're gonna talk to you about translation. So, what is translation? Translation is a process of translating the mRNA's information into a polypeptide sequence of amino acids. So, first, you might be wondering, where does translation occur? I wonder where. Well, I got you. It's gonna occur in the cytoplasm because you know how in transcription it occurs in the nucleus, and after it's done, the mRNA is gonna leave the nucleus through the pores. It's gonna go to a ribosome, and ribosome is a protein, and it has two parts: the small subunit and the large subunit. And you can just think of a ribosome as a burger. We got the bun over here, the top bun, and then the bottom bun. So in the ribosome we have three sides. What are the three sides? I got you. It's the A site, the P site, and the E site. So A site is where the tRNA is gonna initially bound, and then P site is where the polypeptide chain is gonna grow. So I'll show that to you guys later, but I'm just explaining what the sites are. E site is where we're gonna, after dropping off the amino acid, because that's the tRNA's job, is to take the amino acid outside in the cytoplasm, and you can get amino acid from your food, guys. Come on. And then after dropping that, after the P site, it's gonna go into the E site, and then it's gonna exit, and then it's gonna get another amino acid, and it's just gonna, cycle of life. And then, so I'm gonna show you the tRNA. So this the two-dimensional tRNA. I drew it for you guys because I care for you guys. And then, so over here we have the tRNA, we got the base pairs, and then we have the anticodons. So you must be wondering, what is an anticodon? I wonder what it is. Well, I got you. Anticodon is three nucleotides, which is like, it will have the three appropriate nucleotides that will pair with the appropriate codons. So codons is in the mRNA, which is like three letters, and then I'll give you an example like this, an AUG. So we got our key over here. So this is A, the dark green is adenine, cytosine is light green, guanine is orange, and uracil is red. So over here we have AUG, and AUG, that's a codon. So what is the anticodon? Well, it's just a pair, bro. Like AUG is the codon, anticodon is gonna be UCA, and then AUG is the start codon, and also codes for methionine. Well, I'll show you guys the codon chart over here. So over here we got the codon chart, and there's 64 total codons, and then 61 of them codes for an amino acid, and 3 of them codes for the stop codon. And you can have different combinations of like the same 3 letters. So right here you can have this, will code for the same thing. I'll give you over here. Got AUU and AUC. It will code for the isoleucine. That's the amino acid. So yeah. And then going back, so translation is divided into 3 steps, 3 basic steps. We have initiation, elongation, and last but not least, termination. So first is initiation. So first, mRNA is gonna come in the to the ribosome. It's gonna go over here, and it will start the translation process. Once the tRNA reads the ribosome, it will read the start codon, the AUG. So we'll have like we got the tRNA over here. It's gonna go in the A site, and then it's gonna initially bound in there, and then it's gonna go over here, and then it'll bind the anti-codon in the tRNA, and then it's gonna attach to the codon, and it's gonna drop off the amino acid, and then AUG, that will start the process. And then once it's done, it will have the amino acid over here. That's the MET, the methionine. It will go over here. That's in the P site. That's where the polypeptide chain is gonna grow. So it's just a bunch of amino acids. And after that, another tRNA is gonna come in the A site, and then do that. And then once that occurs, the ribosome is gonna shift to the right. And also, if you guys didn't know, it's gonna read the mRNA from the 5' end to the 3' end. So this is the 5' over here. That's the start, and the end is the 3'. So after that, it's gonna shift to the ribosome is gonna shift to the right. So over here, you had the AUG and then the UCA as your anti-codon, and after that, you'll have the amino acid in the P side. So it's gonna shift to the right, and then this tRNA is now gonna be in the E side, and this tRNA is gonna be in the over here, and then now we have an empty A site, so another tRNA can come in and drop off the appropriate amino acid. So it's just gonna be over there, and then so this is initiation, and then elongation is. So now I'm gonna show you guys elongation. So after the AUG is gonna start the translation. So now I'm just gonna show it to you guys. So here we have another codon. So a codon has 3 nucleotides. So over here, it's gonna come in. So side, and then it's gonna bind the anti-codon and codon. It's gonna drop off the appropriate amino acid over that, and then another. It's gonna go to the E site now. So another tRNA is gonna come in over here, and then in the P site it will have the appropriate amino acid. It's gonna bind over here. So there's another 3 codon over here like that, and then it's gonna drop off the amino acid, and this tRNA is gonna go in the E site then, and another tRNA is gonna come in with the appropriate amino acid, and that it's gonna read that, and then so it's gonna drop off amino acid over here. This will go over here, and then now we're gonna have another tRNA, and then over here drop off acid over here, and A site is gonna come in over here. The amino acid is gonna bind anti-codon over here, and then the codon is gonna drop off another amino acid, and then once it reaches one of the 3 stop codons. So back over here we have 3 stop codons, right? So we got UAA, UAG, and UGA. So right here we have UAA as our stop codon. So once it reaches one of the stop codon, it's gonna tell the ribosome to stop the process. So right here we got the UAA, so it's gonna stop. It's gonna drop off the amino acid. So after that, we're gonna have termination. So we're gonna have sequence of polypeptide chain, and then this polypeptide is gonna be released, and it could be a protein or a part of a protein. So this one. So those are all amino acids. So there you go. This is the process of translation. So if you guys have any question, comment down on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.
And who are we?
We are the DRA brothers, the DRA Academy.
Merry Christmas!
Yeah!